On the right-hand side, click on Captions here. And you'll see this list appear that contains a bunch of different pre-made caption styles. Let's scroll up and click on the Karaoke Classic Caption style. Once I click on that, it will apply to my video. And you'll see my text in my transcript has a blue underline. That means that this content within my transcript is appearing in my video's captions. Here in the preview panel, you'll see my captions appear here. Within the preview panel, you do have a few different options for changing your captions colors and fonts, but to have more control, navigate to the right-hand side and click on Layer. You'll have an entire panel now dedicated to changing your caption style. And if you want even more control over how your captions look, underneath Style, click on these two sliders. Here we can change our fill color. We can add a black border, which I'll do by clicking on the plus. You can change the background and the color of your active word. I'll click onto this blue here, and I'll go for a deeper blue color like this one here. Now let's click out of this, and we can see that our captions now stand out from the video background a bit more. Let's click on the X button to exit out. And back on our preview panel, we can actually see our captions. Now let's see how this actually looks when it's animated on screen.
And that's why I'm so excited to share everything I've learned about Descript.
We now have fully automated captions on our video. But what happens if something in our transcript is spelled wrong? When Descript is transcribing our video initially, it's bound to get some things wrong. It can be anything like brand names or speaker names, but correcting these issues is super easy. As you can see here, instead of Descript, it transcribed as Dscript. To fix this and also fix it within our captions, highlight the incorrect word, click on Correct, and then simply type in the correct spelling. I'll type Descript here. If the error only occurs once in the video, then just click Correct. But if it happens multiple times, you can click Correct All. In my case, it only happens once, so I'll click Correct. And as you can see here, it's changed from Dscript to Descript. And you'll see the change reflect here in the captions as well.